Honor Magic 6 Ultimate Edition has a unique appearance with a leather texture and design lines the phone stand out. It has a unique rear camera module resting at the center of the phone. The phone has a thickness of 8.9 mm and a weight 227 grams. The Magic 6 Ultimate Edition in two color options including black and purple. The device features a large 6.8-inch display screen with a resolution of 2800x1280 and a burst of 120 Hz LTPO OLED panel with 5000 nits peak brightness. There are no Corning Gorilla Glass here, and instead we get uniquely named Gallery King Kong Rhenius Glass panel protecting the display. In the front you can also see a pill-shaped notch housing the front-facing camera. When it comes to camera feature, the Magic 6 Ultimate Edition truly delivers. The phone features a super dynamic eagle-eye camera that reveals the quality of single-lens reflex. The phone features a super dynamic eagle-eye camera that reveals the quality of single-lens reflex cameras. This groundbreaking system utilizes the industry's first super dynamic eagle-eye main camera H9800 oval OV50K sensor. So this sensor boasts a large 1.3-inch sensor, a wide 15 eV dynamic range, versatile f1.4 2.0 variable aperture and optical image stabilization. So its 1200 point laser radar array focusing system and advanced mobile phone imaging system derived from autonomous driving technology. This combination allows for SLR grade full direction motion capture, letting you effortlessly capture high speed action. Additionally, the Lofic image sensor ensures the phone effortlessly handles high dynamic range photo and video scans, producing stunning results even in complex lighting conditions. The cameras, including a 50 megapixel primary lens, 180 megapixel periscope telephoto camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, selfie duty are handled by a 50 megapixel camera with depth capability. He powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is added by up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB internal storage. There are also a Adreno 750 GOU for graphics, as well as a 560 mAh battery with support for 18W fast charging and 66W wireless charging. It also features IP68 water and dust resistant certification and adds the unique capability of dual direction satellite communication technology. 16GB plus 512GB Honor Magic 6 Ultimate Edition sale for 6,999 yuan. So good news for global audience. The Ultimate Edition and RSR outside China will begin in second half of 2024.